Hi, it's Miss Todoric. It's Valentine's Day. I'm going to give you the February class tour. So when you walk in, you will see I'm going to dress her up again, but now she's wearing jeans. So that is our mannequin. We have some clothing we donated, and those are our Cricut designs. And we got like an Ola tank top, so that wasn't there last time. You're going to see Valentine's Day gifts on my desk. This is cute. We got that at Walmart. Besties. I love that Kit Kat mug. Be mine. And then we have a Hershey's, which is really, really cute. Let me show you this Hershey's mug. I love it with the cute bear. And then over here, this was great. So we bought that $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And then we're gonna resell it. We put it at $5. Everything is like negotiable. I try to help out the students. $3. It's on my website for like $10. They're really nice socks. I love it. And then we have the company research this week. It's a PowerPoint presentation. They're going to create 10 slides on a company that is on the back wall of our classroom. Here are some essential questions. How old do they have to be to work for, let's say, Fendi, Nike, Target. So I have the student first names and then the company that they're going to research. So I have every class doing that this week. And it's kind of like busy work, I like to call it, because they don't really need much of my attention. And that way I can work with the student entrepreneurs on selling. Especially today, we have a job fair and we have a bunch of entrepreneurs coming in with their treats. I know Tristy's coming with her treats. So everyone knows Tristy's. Last time she did the chocolate covered Rice Krispie treats, pretzels, strawberries. So we'll see what she comes in today. These are our entrepreneur, the wall. I haven't created a new poster. I still have to do that. The apple tree is getting big. Look how big. That's amazing. Our pet, still there. Did the students move him? Usually they move him. So we have a fake grasshopper pet. And then let's see, the bags. All right, so the bags. Ooh, let me think. The new bags, let me kind of zoom out. Oh, it is zoomed out. All right, so the new bags that we have Lucky, which if you're watching like the YouTube shorts, I have Lucky right there. I gotta put that on the wall. TJ Maxx is new. So a student started Q3 real strong, brought that bag in. This is new. The Visa, it's like a little Claire's, like a jewelry shop. Walgreens is new. Stop and Shop. Student brought that in. For All 7 Mankind up there. That is new. I'm not sure if you guys saw the last tour. I think City Trends was already up. Yankee Candle, that's already been up. Skechers. What else? I feel like I'm missing another company. Oh, Laced Up. I had a student bring that red bag. That's new. And I think that's it. Oh, no. There's one more. There's one more. Owens. Yeah, I think that bag. The student brought that in. And Tommy Bahama. Tommy Bahama might have been up there already. But that's it as far as companies. So now they get to research a lot of these companies. It's great because some companies, like I was explaining to them, like Lucky, it has the year when it was established on the bag, 1990. So that's pretty cool. Gumball machine. We are all out of Skittles. So that's what our machine looks like. Yesterday we had a snow day. Yay, so no sales yesterday. This looks different. So if you notice, I started putting up those student collages on the front. I moved one Under Armour. So that's on my desk with the Valentine's Day. That side is the same. And then some of those pictures that were high up, like the new PBIS store poster that was over there in that blank area, I moved it to this Entrepreneurship. So this wall looks crazy. I'm definitely gonna organize it and change it up because it's a little bit of everything. You know, Entrepreneurship, it's a lot going on. We have students and their businesses. So here are the Valentine's Day entrepreneurs. Praise, Karma, Alyssa, Jarrell, Kelly, and Tristy. Then of course, the stuff that I bring in, showing them ideas, the moon pies, you know, repackaging brownies for Valentine's Day. Some of the items that I have, let me show you. Actually, it's in the back. I'm gonna go back there and get it. So I'm gonna do that poster. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is the same routine except for this week. We're gonna focus on the business research PowerPoint. And then when we get back, because next week we have break, and then we get back, we'll start back on the house project Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday's our cash flow board game and our quiz. Thursday, we do a lot of business plan writing. Fun Friday, Cricut machine, and any marketing material. So here are some posters, entrepreneurs. All right, let me show you. And a lot of it I did, so this is my office. You're gonna see the Cricut machine I'm giving to a student, so I left that out. She's such an A student, she's so good. So I packaged up some scarves so she can work with and some paper. These are all hats. Every hat has a student name on it. So they're gonna be designing their own hats. So you're gonna see a bunch of, most students pick the hats over the gloves. And then we have, oh, the Oreo, which I mentioned on the YouTube short. It's so good, you have to try that. It's like the Pop Rocks candy. So after you eat it, you have that sensation of eating Pop Rocks at the end. It's delicious, sweet but delicious. Okay, so here are the ideas. So this I'm gonna actually put out on my desk. But let me show you before I do. I'm gonna open this up. So for example, we have great value, these snowballs. And I think I even wrote the price. Yeah, you could buy this at Walmart. The package, the entire package is $4.57. So if you sell it for $2 each, there's your profit of $18 on one box. So we'll see, no one really likes them. So it's $2, I think I might lower the price today. So you see I put a little heart sticker. And then we also have, this was a good sale. This sells for $2. This is the powdered donuts. And the brownies, I think we're sold out. The cosmic brownies, if you are a high school student, I don't know what's up with those brownies. Students love those brownies. Where is that? So here's the sugar, powdered sugar, donuts, same thing, $4.57. This was great, students love this too. This is cheaper, the 12 Rice Krispie Treats, $3. We sell it for $1 each, so it's just a profit of $8 on this box. Moon pies, I got this. So that I got at Walmart. This I got at Walgreens for $1.25. Yeah, I think $1.25 or $1, something like that. It's really cheap, but you get 6. So I mixed it and I packaged it. I repackaged these. Someone said this is a YouTuber. I don't even know who that is, what YouTuber that is. And I packaged it into like a little goodie bag. We're gonna try that. Try to sell that for $3. And then the Cosmic Brownie. I can't find the box. Where's my Cosmic Brownie box? I like saving the boxes because it has the amount. I do it with the Excel spreadsheet. I show the students the cost. If I find it, oh, you know what? I think I know where it is. It's out there. So let me just show you real quick. So this is the moon pie. I put a banana and chocolate and I packaged it together. These were like the fruit snacks, that YouTuber fruit snack I just mentioned with a bunch of candy. So this is like the $3. This was at the Dollar Tree, the dollar store, which was nice. These were the socks. I love the socks. The socks are so nice. You really gotta look at the socks. They have like Twinkies. They have Swedish Fish, Oreo, Chips Ahoy, Heinz. I had a student. She told me on Monday, she's like, oh my gosh, Mr. Todoric, over the weekend somebody was wearing these pair of socks for church. You could see them, and she was laughing and stuff like that. I was, really? These are nice socks. I don't know that for church, but I would definitely wear them. All right, so we got the socks. Oh, we have this. Also at the dollar store, you get 3 roses, $1.25. We added a little jazz to it, some candy. We'll probably resell it for $3. All right, so let's try to find those cosmic brownies. I'm gonna take this and put this on my desk. So this is, whoa, hold on. And then I'm sure my door is gonna be, usually they come during first period. They come a little late. It's like the culture of the school. So the students coming in, they're going to be dropping off, whether it's the candied frozen fruit, Alyssa or Tristy, or Jarrell. So I'm expecting either one of them. There they are. So these are the cosmic brownies. So because of the theft, I keep empty. So this is what we have back there, but this is all empty because we had a lot. We probably lost, I don't know, $50 last week. And it was just me giving away a lot of stuff. You know, it's hard to say. Students are like, I'm hungry. I'm like, okay, just take it. You know, so I give away a ton of product. I do this for fun. It's not even about making money. It's just role modeling of giving them ideas and showing them what they can do. So I'm just proud that we have those entrepreneurs. And it's hard. It's hard to step up as a high school student and sell these items, anything, to your fellow classmates. Oh, one last thing. Malcolm, he says he's bringing hats. Probably like 20 hats today. So these were the cosmic brownies. Real quick, let me go show you the hat. $5. He probably is gonna have different styles. Show us. I think he bought them off. I forgot what website. I gotta find out. One website, so he's just reselling them. Pretty cool. And then the brownies. So I purchased that 12 for $4.98. And then it sells for $2 and we sold out on Monday. This is probably the one item I would go back and buy, only because students love it. Students love this product. Little Debbie, shout out to you. My students love your cosmic brownies. Perfect, perfect. And Powerade, I haven't tried that. That's something new. I'm curious to see. Now it's frozen. Monday it wasn't. I brought them in Monday, so they are frozen, ready to go. And then, of course, everyone knows Sunny D and Kool-Aid. And I don't know why Kool-Aid's so much cheaper. It's so much cheaper than the Capri Sun. So that's why I buy Kool-Aid. And not even so much cheaper. It's probably just $1 off. But every dollar counts when you're in entrepreneurship class and giving away free products, that's for sure. So that's our classroom setup for February, Valentine's Day. So there's our little Valentine's Day special, our little display. And I'm gonna film when the students get here to show you all their products. So what they do, I have Alyssa, she stocks up my freezer. So this is the Powerade. And then I'm gonna show you video footage of that. Then we have our cold water Sunny D and Kool-Aid. And then when Tristy brings her treats, we might need to put them in the fridge. All right, thanks for watching. And till next time.